This video will go over the String.replace function in JS. So let's say we had a string and it said hello, it's this string. 1, 2, 3. Now we can use a function to replace anything we want in the string, like the replace function. So it returns a new string. It doesn't change the one given. So nice. And let's replace string with Let's see what happens. This is a replace string, and if we were to have another this, or I mean another string, it's only replacing one. So if we were going to replace all, we could just do replace all and repeat for another video. But we can see how it takes this string, it finds the word we want to replace, and then it replaces it with whatever we want. So what we can do is let's say we wanted to reformat a string. So maybe we have a username field. And let's say we want to replace the username with nothing and the password with nothing. And then let's say we want to split the two parts into different array indexes. Split. This isn't the best way to do it. Well, and boom. As you can see, we now have potential username and secret password. Using the replace and the split function. So yeah, that's the replace function in JS. It just replaces a given sequence of characters with another sequence of characters. So yeah, sub if you want, like if you want.